Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to easily reboot your Android phone or tablet using a simple app called Reboot. Lately I've noticed that many devices have restrictions on the power button. If you long press it, it now opens Gemini or your default assistant instead of showing the power menu. That's where this handy app comes in, the Reboot app. Install it from the Play Store, grant all the necessary permission it requests, and then go to the downloaded apps, open Reboot and enable use reboot option. The system may show a security warning that it considers this as a sensitive permission. Just allow it, and as we need this for reboot functionality. So go back to the app and enable the accessibility service. Look for the restart if you were on a non-rooted device. Once it's enabled, you can now reboot your tablet or phone without any hassle. Just open the app, go to the power setting, and you'll see options to turn off or reboot your device. Now the second one is without installing any app. If you don't want to use any third-party app, you can just do it using built-in Android features. For that, you just have to go to the settings. You need to go to the accessibility and turn on the accessibility menu shortcut. Once it's enabled, you'll see a floating menu button on the side of your screen. Then just tap it, you'll see quick accesses to many options, including power, volume, recent app, lock screen, screenshot, and more. So tap on the power and it will give you turn off or reboot your device easily. So this way you can no longer need to rely on physical button anymore, and that will give you the thing to turn off or restart. I hope this video was helpful. We really work hard to bring you simple and useful tips to make your life easier. So if you found this video useful or valuable, please subscribe and like and leave a comment, and we will see you in the next video. Bye for now.